if you have one of the ring wraith or costumes, or in my case I've got the Biker Scout and the ring wraith costume, basically I got one of these things, and it's the amplifier. I showed it in one of my other videos. It's just like the speaker part. You can get this at like a Radio Shack. I think you can get it at a Radio Shack, but I'm not entirely positive you can get it at a Radio Shack. But you won't know it until you go and look. Anyway, get yourself one of these because they're cool. And yeah. Oh no, okay. And basically, what I just did today is I have a little ipod thing. I don't actually use this very much because it always dies on me, but I figured out how to make this work. So I went on YouTube and I found a recording or a video of like the blaster sound effect for like a gun, and then I also found the sound effect of the ring wraith scream or the nuzzle scream that they do. Unfortunately, it's not very loud, and the clock's chiming. And the bird's talking. Charlie! Charlie! Hi! I have to wait for the clock to shut up because okay, I think it's done. Anyway, so on YouTube, I converted the videos into like MP3 files and I stuck them on here. So then what I can do with this now is you take the speaker, if I'm doing the ring wraith costume, hide the speaker somewhere under all the robes, and then you feed the wire like through your arm and so it's in your hand. And where did it go? There it is. So then when I want to scare people like on Halloween or something, I can play this sound effect. It's not very loud because the recording isn't very loud. And then for the Biker Scout, oh, and then for ring wraith I also have this sound effect, well, it's not really a sound effect, but it's a track, so if I'm running around as ring wraith I can play this and just dance or something. Basically it's the theme of the Nazgul or whatever. Okay, be quiet. And then for my Biker Scout costume, I hide this in my pouch, and then I can play this sound effect. And then run around and pretend to shoot things or whatever. So, that's just an idea for those of you that want to do this thing, because I just kind of put this together today and I was like, hey, that's pretty cool.